Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. This video is the part 3 of the types of digital marketing campaign and is in continuation with my previous 2 videos. In this video, we're going to talk about the third digital marketing campaign, the major type of digital marketing campaign, that is the retention and the engagement campaign. Now, once you have worked with the acquisition campaign, monetizing campaign, now is the turn to retain your customers and engage them by building their trust. At this stage, you must already be an already established name, as you have already targeted on the conversions in the previous 2 stages. Therefore, here you need to move your new leads and customers to a high level fan, or you need to build community, brand, or give them offers in order to engage your audience. Here, you need to give them customer lifetime value, which will indirectly boost your revenue. Once your customer trusts you or is loyal, you can easily attract new customers. Now, your loyal customers over here are the people who at their end are referring your product to others. They are spreading to their network the offers and about you and yourself as a brand, and therefore are behaving or on the verge of becoming the brand ambassadors. Companies at this stage create online application for the prospects and the customers to interact with each other and with the brand too. Here at this stage, customer retention tactics are used so that in order to build trust and retain the customers or build long-lasting relationships with your customers. Now let us discuss the stages in the retention campaign. Number 1 is advocacy. Now here, the marketing campaign that is used should be able to engage the customers so that they can recommend your products or services to others through testimonials, through customer stories or words of mouth, and so on. These advocates defend your brand on the social media platform and recommend to their network when you promote your brand. Number 2 is promote. Here, there are customers who are readily available and actively seek to promote your products or services. These are the customers who are now creating blogs, YouTube videos about your products or services. And it often starts with storytelling or your success stories telling in the social media. These are the audience that is now your brand advocates. Now, how do you do it, or which type of marketing campaigns can be used to actually retain your customers? A is your video marketing campaign. Videos are a very powerful tool and can be used to awake your dormant customers or to strengthen the customers that you already have and support you, and their purchasing decisions are greatly impacted by you. B is blogging campaign. Now, websites and blogs are places where the customer would take the information from. Blogging is generally used to tell the success stories, and once your customer is seen happy, you are marketed. Blogging is therefore used to increase the likes to your websites. C is retargeting campaign. These campaigns are used when the customer who has earlier bought the products and now when they have logged into their website have left the website without buying anything. Here the marketing is going to give an extra push to come back and make the purchase. Now key over here is number 1. Build engagement and community after optimizing the value you bring to the table or your customer. 2. Creating brand promoters or advocates begins with having superior products or services. Thank you.